Good evening, teacher. My name is Jose Abad, and from this video I will indicate the address systems and additionally a problem with reference to the stop page time of a team. First, direction system and the address systems is basically referred to as its name refers to the chain of addresses of the team itself. Now we evaluate the problem and consider a like truck weighing 2,500 pounds and performing a full stop from 45 miles per hour on a level surface with a brake application that develops a steady brake of 1,500 pounds. Determine the deceleration, stopping distance, and time to stop. First, we will calculate the deceleration using the following per minute. And then we will evaluate the distance traveled and finally the estimated time for it to stop. And in this that would be the resolution of the problem with respect to those indicate and request in this same problem.